Welcome to Foxtecc. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a microphone to your iPad, whether you're using it for recording calls or content creation. The first thing to know is that how you connect a microphone depends on the model of your iPad. Some older iPads have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, so you can plug in certain microphones directly that way. But most newer iPads use either a Lightning port or a USB-C port. So you'll need the right cable or adapter depending on what your mic supports. For example, my microphone uses USB-C, and since my iPad also has a USB-C port, I just use a USB-C to USB-C cable to connect them directly. If your mic uses USB-A or another type of connector, you may need a USB-C adapter or a Lightning adapter, depending on your iPad model. Just make sure the cable or adapter supports data and audio, not just charging. Some microphones might also need extra power to work properly. In that case, using a powered USB hub can help, especially if you're connecting through an adapter that doesn't deliver enough power on its own. Once everything is plugged in, your iPad should recognize the microphone automatically. There's no need to install drivers. To test if the microphone is working, open an app like Voice Memos, the Camera app, or any recording app you normally use. Speak into the mic and play back the recording to make sure the audio is coming through clearly. In some apps, especially those built for audio work, you might be able to go into the settings and manually select your input source if needed. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more helpful iPad guides. See you later.